What do we do during science time? We observe, we explain, we use our eyes, we use our ears, skin, nose, and tongue. Mabilis! 1, 2, 3. It's our science time. It's our science. What do we do during science time? We observe, we explain, we use our eyes, we use our ears, skin, nose, and tongue. This time, incorporating nyo ang English, may body movement. Body movement. 1, 2, 3. It's our science time. It's our science time. What do we do during science time? We observe, we explain, we use our eyes, we use our ears, skin. Okay, thank you very much. Nakakaupo na kayo. Okay, now for our engaging questions, Ma'am Madeleine, anyone from here? How did you find singing the song with sign language? Did you find it enjoyable?
Yes.
Okay, now any reaction from the crowd? Ma'am Elisabeth.
Example, sir, hindi pa ako marunong mag-sign. When I sign language while singing, I find it so difficult because I have to learn first the sign language. I have to engage it in my mind. What is the sign language of this? What is the sign language of that? And then I have to use it through my hands. Example na naman.
Okay. Wow, okay. Wow, thank you, Ma'am Melissa. Okay. Talaga naman napaka-importante matutunan ng sign language. Take note, kapag ang bata ay maliit, lalo na yung mag-acquire pa lang siya ng communication, ng language, ano ginagawa ng magulang? To teach the word, merong incorporation ng body movement at ng sign na para makuha. So, ganun kahalaga. And number 2, what do you think will be the significance? Gano'n kahalaga nga ba using sign language to our deaf learners if we will use them in our science daily lessons? Yes, sir.
Through singing, the sign language will learn faster compared to natural use of singing. Kumbaga parang madaling matutunan kung gamitan mo ng mga awitin. Mga singing.
Okay, tama. Tama naman. Paulit-ulit tayo. Madali din ang maintindihan ng concept kapag mayroong Filipino sign language. Ganun lang madali. Walang duda. Okay? Yes. Next, good morning po, Ma'am Salvera. Okay, yan. Now,